This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Ample space in this sprawling, all-brick basement rancher. A welcoming foyer leads to a great open floor plan living area. Enjoy the vaulted ceilings and kitchen breakfast bar. The kitchen features a massive island, perfect for gathering or entertaining. A formal dining room is included as well. The master bedroom is on the main level with an expansive ensuite bathroom featuring a tiled shower, separate tub, and large walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath round out the main level. Downstairs includes many windows, high ceilings, and plenty of walk-out space. Also, a separate bedroom with another ensuite full bath. 2 rec rooms, 2 additional rooms that can used as bedrooms and a half bath. Don't forget the 3rd garage as well. Enjoy the covered porch. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.